Ken Leon is a director of equity research at CFRA and covers the big banks. Ken, good to see you here. JP Morgan's results look pretty good. Coming out of this quarter, do you still think JP Morgan is the best banking stock to own?
Yeah, it is for two reasons. One, they have a very high concentration of revenues from the U.S. U.S. economy is outpacing the rest of the world. Additionally, they have a #1 franchise, and they're expanding their consumer footprint, both in terms of digital and branches. The credit card business was exceptional, far better than Citi or Wells Fargo, and they do well in the investment banking side as well. One note, the fixed income year-over-year comps, that's off a very weak fourth quarter last year. Sequentially, it was modest gains, not only for JP Morgan, but Citi and Wells Fargo.
You're talking about Wells Fargo there, Ken. They missed on both the top and bottom lines. They have a new CEO. Is there reason for optimism here?
We have a sell on the stock. We think it's going to take longer for a transformation with a new CEO. There still is an asset freeze from the Federal Reserve, which really prevents them from fully growing loan growth, especially with a flat interest rate environment. New CEO, no big changes right now. He needs to put his team in place. I would look for the second half of this year, really, for improvement in Wells Fargo, but not now.
Ken, one thing interesting about Wells Fargo, new CEO Charlie Scharf gave no timeline on his turnaround plan, but he did signal potential job cuts. How deep could those job cuts go?
I think job cuts will be focused on the business review, the capital markets, where Wells Fargo is more of a super regional, not necessarily making big bets in terms of trading or large corporate investment banking. I think we're going to look at trading and investment banking to kind of right-size that business to the overall profile of Wells Fargo.
All right, thanks very much, Ken Leon over at CFRA. We appreciate it.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.